Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Taif, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As you know that this is Pakistan International School Taif online class for class 9 junior or class 8 and subject is computer science. This is our 14th lecture or 14th video and teacher name is Imran Ahmed. This is the title page of your book. I hope all of you have this book nowadays because school is open and bookshop is open. If you don't have, then you must purchase the course books from the bookshop. Yesterday, we have started question which was describe the applications of computer in various fields. Over here, we have already discussed the two applications means in education and in business. We have discussed yesterday lecture. Today, inshallah, we will discuss the more defense. There are various applications of computer technology in defense. Means there are various. Various means more than one. Computers are used in tanks. So with the help of tank, they insert the computer inside the tank and focus or the tanks of enemies. So computer are used in tanks, planes, aeroplanes, they still use their computer, ships. Why they are using the computer over here in tanks, planes and ships? Because to target enemy forces. The purpose is to target enemy forces. Either they are in aeroplane, either they are in ships, or either they are in tanks. So with the help of defense system, with the help of computer, they use the various places in tanks they can use, in planes they can use, in ships they are using. Why they are using? Because to target the enemy forces. They help in tracking missile. Also, very important topic, very important thing over here is tracking missile. Tracking missiles with the if some other country attack on the other another country. So with the help of computer, they track the missile and blast in the air. They can blast that missile in the air. Like nowadays, Saudi did it in the previous days when someone hit on the Riyadh and they blast that missile with the help of computer in the air and destroying them. Computers are also used in communication system in defense. Communication system means watch over there. If you are if you are traveling in the aeroplane and the pilot of that aeroplane is communicating with the base on the base with the help of computer. So computer is used in defense system. Next is media. Next application of computer means computer use in media. So media, computer have lot of applications in print and electronic media. What is print media and what is electronic media? Print media, if you are using the newspapers, print media is newspaper. And electronic media, you can say that television is an electronic media. Nowadays, another kind of media is social media. They call it the social media where they use the Facebook, Twitter, and any other application for the media. So computer still using in the print media means in the newspaper they use the computer. In electronic media means in the television they are using the computer. Computer technology helps in preparation and production of newspapers. Why they are using the computer in the media? In order to prepare what? Production of newspapers. Newspaper number one. Newspaper is print media. Magazines. Magazine is also a print media. Booklets, brochures is also a print. Booklets, what is a booklet? Watch over there. Every week they issue the booklet of Panda store. So this is called the booklet. And brochures means you are standing at the you are going outside and watching over there at the gate, you find some kind of paper are present at your doorstep, so they are called the brochures. Flyers, electronic media refers to the broadcast media. That includes, so electronic media, in electronic media, they use computer to broadcast what? Radio broadcasting. Radio broadcast means how they are, you are listening the voice of other person with the help of computer they use for that. So electronic media refers to the broadcast media that in broadcast with the help of computer they broadcast. You can see the different channels, and sitting at your home you can see the or watch or view the different channels. That includes radio broadcast, cable and satellite television broadcast. So broadcasting is when you are going on the traveling on the car, and you FM is radio broadcasting, cable and satellite. So cable is used in Pakistan, mostly used in Pakistan. Also, some major countries of Saudi Arabia like Riyadh, Dammam, they are using the cable media is also. And satellite television. Satellite television means they are using, and dish antennas is called satellite television, but with the help of computer, they use, you can see the different channels on your screen. Computer is used for television broadcasting. Next is manufacturing. Manufacturing means construction of anything is called manufacturing. Nowadays, computer technology is widely used in manufacturing industry. It has improved the accuracy. Why they use the computer in manufacturing industry? Accuracy means as it is. As it is means, if let's say I give you the example in mathematics. For example, answer of your question is 44.5, and you write the answer 44. So is it accurate? No, it is not accurate. So accuracy means as it is. If the answer is 44.25, you will write the answer for 44.25. So this is called the accuracy. Quality and speed of manufacturing. Quality means, so how numbers of item. Let's say you instruct the computer to produce 100 items of mobiles, 100 mobile items. You can say that 100 mobile items. So they will produce 100, not 101. So this is called the quality and quantity. Quality means as it is. Quality is also is called the as. Okay, inshallah, now it will be okay. CAD. In manufacturing, there are two things are involved. CAD, computer aided design. CAD stand for computer aided design, and CAM stand for computer aided manufacturing. CAD involves the use of computer hardware and graphics software to create product design. So different kinds of design they produce with the help of CAD technology, with the help of computer. And CAM, computer aided manufacturing, involve the use of computer in planning and management of production operation. So computer is used in planning. I will repeat the manufacturing again. Nowadays, computer technology is widely used in manufacturing industries. It has improved the accuracy, quality, and speed of manufacturing. CAD, computer aided design, involves the use of computer hardware and graphic software to create, why they are using to create product designs. And CAM involves the use of computer in planning and management of production operation. CAD or CAM technology has been applied in many industries. including, for example, automobile, they are using the CAD and CAM technology, electronics, machine components, textile, fashion, etc. Describe career in information technology. Career means if you are a computer student, what you want to be. Software engineer. Software engineer is highly skilled person in the field of IT. In field of IT means he knows the each and everything about the programming, about each and everything, system, hardware, software. So software engineer is highly skilled person in field of IT whose responsibility. Software engineer is highly skilled person in field of IT whose responsibility involve the analysis, design, implementation, and maintenance of computer software. Software engineer can be further classified into programmer and system analyst. Programmer. Who is programmer and who is system analyst? We will discuss. A programmer is a person who develop the computer programs is known as programmer. And system analyst is a person who analyzes the system, means if you are going to be computerized any part of any industry or any part of an organization, then its responsibility of system analyst to collect the information is known as system analyst. So over here we will discuss the programmer. Programmer, computer programmers are IT professional who have extensive knowledge and expertise in programming languages. It means that if you want to be a computer programmer, so you must do know the knowledge. You have the knowledge in different programming languages like C++, C, Visual Basic, C Sharp, etc., Java. So these are called the programming language. Computer programmers write programs to solve problems related with the business. What is the responsibility? Why they are producing the computer programs? Computer programmers write programs to solve the problem related with business, education, engineering, government offices, hospital, entertainment, etc. So he can make, if he have the knowledge of programming languages, so he can computerize any part of the type. In education, he can create a software for the education. He can create software for the engineering, government offices, hospital, entertainment, etc. So he can create different kind of programs. Next is system analyst. System analyst analyze the data processing requirement of organization. I give you the example. If you I give you the example, if you want to computerize any part of, let's say, of our school. So what happened? You must have the knowledge of that on that point. Let's say this is computerize the exam system. So if you know the current system of examination, then you can computerize the, you can make the computer program for the exam system. So it's your responsibility to collect the data from exam office to computerize the exam office. So you will be, at that time you will be called a system analyst. System analysts analyze the data processing requirement of organization. They investigate the problem. Watch over here. They investigate what? They investigate the problem. Problem related means the problem means you are going to the computerize the exam office. Now exam office is the problem and you are going to be investigate. Now after investigation, what happened? You will plan a solution. You will plan the solution and recommended the type of hardware and software required for implementation of the solution. Now you collect all the requirement from the exam office. You have planning that how can you will computerize that exam office. Now what thing will be needed for a programmer? So you will decide what kind of hardware, means how laptops are used or computer is used. So you will decide software required. You will tell the programmer you can use the Visual Basic to computerize this exam office. So required for implementation the solution. They also coordinate with the programmer. Watch over here. They also coordinate with the programmer. So they will coordinate with the programmer and database administrators. Already we have discussed the database administrator in developing information system. So this is the question. Describe career in information technology. So software, if you are computer programmer, if you're a computer person, then you must have the knowledge of each and everything. Then you can be a computer programmer or system analyst. Now next is computer teacher. So computer teacher teaches the subject of computer science, as I am computer teacher, and I am discussing the topics, different topics related to the computers. We are studying the computer. So me is called a computer teacher. Teaches the subject of computer science to student. Why? To make them computer literate. Computer literate. It means that after getting I hope you have some knowledge about the computer now, because this is already we have finished the exercise. 10 short question we have discussed, then 5 long question we have discussed. It means that now you are a little bit computer literate. Later programming languages in your further classes, when you will be in class 10, when you will be in class second year, you can study the different programming languages of computer. So he conduct lesson on how to operate computers. The responsibility of computer teacher is how to conduct operate the computer. I will tell you that how you will operate the computer and working principle. So working principle means some boys I saw that they close the computer without proper shutdown. So this is the working principle. So this is the responsibility of computer teacher. If you, this is our question related to describe career in information technology. Today we have discussed the software engineer. Software engineer composed of two parts. So software engineer can be a programmer, or software engineer can be a system analyst, or next one is computer teacher. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss the further topic. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.